Hello all, welcome to the channel. As we are in the admissions time, let us see here on the admissions for the Masters of Business Administration or Postgraduate Diploma in Business Management. As we all know, there are n number of universities across India and various colleges across India and B schools across India offering the MBA programs as well as the PGDBM programs. Nowadays, innovative courses specifically on the field of each specialization has been devised as students after their graduation of either the any degree is eligible for this MBA course. If they want to pursue the post graduation course in the field of business administration, which will give them a vibrant career. Let us see on the various procedures for this admission into the business administration course. The admission process, we have the entrance test or the entrance exams conducted in the various institutes. Nowadays, each and every universities and colleges are conducting their entrance exams, entrance test in order to seek the validity of the student graduating to the Master of Business Administration. Various entrance exams are conducted in the B schools such as MAT, which is the Management Aptitude Test, CAT, which is the Common Aptitude Test, XAT, which is conducted by Xavier Aptitude Test, SNAP for the Symbiosis Aptitude Test, NMAT for the Nasri Moji Aptitude Test, and IAFT entrance also being conducted for the Indian Institute of Foreign Trade. So now let us see, the first is the Common Aptitude Test, which is the CAT. So this is being offered for all the MBA entrants where all the IIMs, where the top most B schools are the IIMs, which is the Indian Institute of Management located across India and has been conducting 20 IIMs being conducting this CAT as a eligibility test on a rolling basis, and this year IIM Kozhikode has been given the responsibility for conducting this exam. So this CAT exam is generally conducted in the month of November every year, and more than 3 lakh students are taking this MBA entrance exam across India, which is called as one of the toughest exams. And this CAT score is not only accepted by this IIMs but also being accepted by various other institutes, even the FMS Faculty of Management Studies Delhi, Management Development Institute Goregaon, Indian Management Institute Delhi, and various IITs and various other institutes of the B schools are also accepting CAT as the eligibility criteria. What is the eligibility to write this entrance test is they have to possess the graduation degree with the minimum pass and exam pattern, 5 exam patterns. The CAT exam has 3 sections comprising of the verbal ability, reading comprehension, data interpretation and logical reasoning, and quantitative ability, where we are having 100 questions being taken, and for each correct answer 3 marks are awarded, and if there is an incorrect answer 1 negative mark is deducted. No mark is being deducted when the questions are unattempted, and the CGPA is being appeared for the score. So next is this Xavier admission test. So this XLRI Xavier B School has launched this XAT exam and has been conducting across India in various cities, and more than 70 B schools are accepting this exact score for the preliminary admissions, which are being followed by group discussion and personal interviews. Every institute, whenever they are admitting a candidate for this PGTBM course or MBA course, they will have a set of entrance exam as well as the group discussion and personal interview. And there is an eligibility. Every eligibility is this bachelor's degree in any discipline from a recognized institute or the university. Here the exam pattern is various, consists of this multiple choice question format. Every aptitude is this multiple choice, where here also they are having the sections of verbal logical ability, quantitative ability, data interpretation, and decision making, where we are also having here also 100 questions are being awarded, and then after the score is being declared, and after that the personal interview and group discussions are conducted. Next is this management aptitude test, which is one of the oldest tests which is being conducted across India by this AIMA, All India Management Association, which is a very popular entrance test, which is conducted 4 times a year in the month of February, May, September, as well as December. Various schools and universities across India are accepting this MAT score and taking this score as a selection procedures, and the eligibility is always this bachelor's degree from any recognized university, and exam pattern is having the candidates the choice of appearing offline or online, both they are conducting, and MAT test on the main subjects of language comprehension, mathematical skills, data analysis, intelligence and critical reasoning, and Indian and global environmental section. Next, we are having this Symbiosis National Aptitude Test. Symbiosis is one of the leading B schools in India, which is having offering this SNAP is the aptitude test conducted for their admission in this Symbiosis Institute for all the postgraduate programs. Graduate degree is the eligibility, and this MCQ test is being conducted every year in December, and there are 4 sections here: general English, quantitative aptitude, general awareness, and written also 25% negative marking is also there for the wrong answer. The SNAP exam is having 125 questions, and the time duration is generally about 2 hours. Next is the Nasri Monji Management Aptitude Test (NMAT), which is being conducted by this deemed university in Mumbai. They are conducting for this management courses in different specializations, and as well as for the executive or part-time eligible programs. So this eligibility is graduation, and then they are having again this MCQs for about 2 hours, and candidate can have the appearance 3 times for this exam and can improve their scores. So they also have language skills, quantitative skills, data interpretation and data sufficiency, logical reasoning, and the list of the score merit basis will be prepared, and based on that shortlisted candidates will be taken for this group discussion and personal interview. And this CMAT is also there. Common Management Aptitude Test, which is this national entrance exam which is conducted by the NTA. This is taken by initiative of the government, National Testing Agency, which is the common admissions towards the postgraduate management programs offered by various institutes which are being accredited by this council, and more than 100 B schools across India are accepting the CMAT entrance exam. Here also the eligibility is graduations, and online test is being conducted based on 100 objective type questions, and which are being taken for a total duration of 180 minutes, which is having 25 questions on various sections, of the quantitative techniques and data interpretation, logical reasoning, language comprehension, and general awareness. So, where they are having 400 marks in total. So, each right answer is having 4 marks, and there is 1 mark being deducted for the negative answer. Next is this Indian Institute of Foreign Trade is also conducting this exams, which is being taken by the which is offering the MBA in international business, and from 2019 the National Testing Agency is conducting the entrance test for IAFT, and various campuses are also there too for the admissions, and there is the eligibility, bachelor's degree, and the exam pattern, online entrance, and the group followed by this group discussion and personal interview, where they are having the entrance through general knowledge and awareness, logical reasoning, and quantitative analysis. So these are the main entrance exams conducted across India by various institutes and government, and even states. Each state is conducting their own entrance test, and this NIRF rankings, the candidate, the student, or the graduation person after the graduation, if they want to pursue their MBA programs, they can take over on the basis of select the institute on the basis of NIRF rankings, which is given by the MHRD, and NIRF is the National Institute Ranking Framework, which is giving rankings to all the institute category wise: universities, engineering colleges, management institutes, pharmacy, and various law institutes. Various categories are being classified and being offered as the rankings. In top B schools in India, the NIRF ranking is given for the year 2020. IIM Bangalore is ranked number 1, followed by IIM Bangalore, IIM Kolkata, IIM Lucknow, IIT Kharagpur, IIM Kozhikode, IIM Indore, IIT Delhi, XLRI, and Management Development Institute. The ranking is for 100 institutes. Please visit the website of this NIRF to know further about the various details on the various other institutes across India which are being ranked. So this is how the selection process is taking place in across the India for the MBA as well as the postgraduate diploma in business management has been taken over. Thank you for listening. Please subscribe and like my channel. Thank you.